Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marion. Today is my birthday, so this will be part one of like a get ready with me. This is the hair portion. So I have a new unit from Arabella Hair. I will admit I was influenced by Natasha Smith here on YouTube. It is a 22-inch like beige blonde 13 by 480 density. I washed it, conditioned it, flat ironed it yesterday, but I just wanted to show you what the lace looks like on me. So this should go well. Oh, the construction of the wig on the inside has the elastic band clip, and then yeah. So I'm gonna cut the top clip out. The rest of this video will be more than likely a voiceover. So let me show you what comes with the unit, and this is my shower cap. Just got out the shower. It's their business card, WhatsApp campaign, and all the goodies in here. Elastic band, lashes, brush comb combo, HD wig cap, and a hair clip that I'm not gonna use. So let's get into it. If I haven't said, do not forget to like, comment, and of course, subscribe. So I am starting out using the Even Wonder Lace Bond. This is the active. They actually have 3 different kinds. They have the sensitive and supreme and active. I go in between the bottles. I normally don't use a wig cap, but I decided to, use it because it's supposed to be a HD cap. And I take my fan to kind of like make the adhesive a little bit more tackier, and then I go in with a second layer. Now, keep in mind, I am not, and I repeat, not a hairstylist, not an expert at this. I just do what I do that works for me. I really like the unit because it is 22 inches. It is a true 13 by 4 lace. The lace is a tad bit darker than my skin tone. You'll definitely see it when I do my makeup, but I really like it. It curled well, and honestly, it was easy for me to wash, condition, and I know I said that I flat ironed it, but what I did was I took a blow dryer and blowed it out because this is a body wave unit, and then I took a hot comb to, hot comb the edges so it'll be easy for me to install. So as I am getting more units and perfecting doing my own hair, I'm just taking different little tips that I have learned along the way from watching other people on YouTube. I still have a long way to go, but I'm doing my own hair. I'm not doing anybody else's hair or charging. So if there are any mistakes or whatnot, it's on me. So I do like to cut the lace a little bit. No, it's not in my way. And then I cut the lace in like 4 to 5 different spots. Sometimes it works for me, sometimes it don't. But hey, like I said, I do struggle, and sometimes I can, chop up the lace, but I make it work. And I know how to camouflage my mistakes. But all in all, this unit is beautiful and it was easy to apply. It has the elastic bands, so that'll help you if you want to use or if you want to wear it glueless. But for me, I definitely have to use lace spray because I sweat. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope this kind of helps you and show you that there are easier and quicker ways to do installs and that you don't have to be perfect. It is definitely okay with, trial and error, but as you keep going, you'll definitely get better. Before I curl this hair, I'm just gonna brush it out, make sure I have all of the hair untangled, and child I'm trying to make apart, but as you can see, I didn't really do much. I also want to show you guys how thick this hair looks. For it to be 180 density, it is very, very thick. So now it's time to move on and curl my hair. I'm using the Garnier Sleek Shine just a little. You only need a little so it doesn't, weigh heavy or make your hair heavy. I like to clip the ends to make sure that they are even. I find that it's easy to curl the hair. Okay, so did my makeup now. I need to hurry up and take my hair down. I could layer it, but I'm gonna leave it as is because I'm in a rush to go. But this is the final look of the hair. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, thank you for watching.